Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert new row in Excel. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Excel, and here you can see that these are all columns and these are all rows. So how you can add new row? Okay, so first step you need to click on the right mouse cursor, and here you can see the option of insert. Click on that, and here you can see that the new row is added. So let me add a new row also. Click on right mouse cursor and click on insert. So you can see that I simply added two new rows. So this is the process by which you can insert new row in Excel. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.